So how to create TonKeeper wallet? Open your app store and type TonKeeper. Just press on get. So once download complete, press on open. Now create new wallet or import existing. So and to create new wallet, create a passcode. Now enter your wallet name. And you can colorize it or change your, and your wallet is ready to use. Now if you want to send wallet, you have to press on send to receive, or if you want to buy, then you can buy from any network. And if you want to backup your code, press on backup. Set up manual code, press on continue and enter your passcode, and that's it. So you have to take a screenshot or write anywhere this TonKeeper backup code. If you to use a different device, you need this type of code. So that's it. Now you can easily buy anything, NFT or anything from your TonCoin. So I hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day. And this is your TonCoin address.